Now, recently we've been playing the new World of Warcraft expansion, Midnight. It continues the story after the War Within, and it's a great entry point back into this legendary game. And to celebrate the amazingness of World of Warcraft, MSI has partnered up with Blizzard to bring you some limited edition versions of the RTX 5070, specifically styled in the Void and Light themes. We're going to do an unboxing as well as go over the key design features and overall experience that we got in playing WoW with these amazing new graphics cards. So if you're interested, let's get into it. Now, specifically, this is going to be a limited run of these GPUs, only 2,500 units available total globally. We are partnered up with MSI, and that's why we have this exclusive opportunity to test out these rare and pretty unique looking RTX 5070s. Now, specifically from a packaging perspective, both the Void and the Light theme graphics cards have their own unique individual look from the packaging itself. From the front to the back, you can see that we have a specific light and dark theme with excellent box art front to back. Inside, you're also going to find that same attention to detail with a large graphic inspired by game events. Now, as far as the GPU styling themselves, looking at the Void first, you're going to notice that we have a dark purplish blue color, which looks very sleek, has a nice kind of satin finish at the front. The back has some yellow accents, and you're going to find unique artwork and paint schemes on both the Light and Void, so they're not just basically different color combinations. You are going to see different graphics specifically at the front and back. You're going to notice that the fans themselves have the World of Warcraft logo embezzled in the center. The Light version is finished in this light golden yellowish color, which looks very unique. The fans themselves have a white color and have the yellow WoW logo in the center. The back of the Light version also has some blue purplish accents, similar to what we find with the Void version, obviously flipped on, and you can see that the logo of World of Warcraft with the Midnight Edition is different on both GPUs. So both are very different and unique looking. And honestly, if you're baller enough and a hardcore WoW collector, you can easily just use these as display units because the quality, fit and finish and memorabilia aspect of them are enough to inherit them as a collector item status. Now, beyond that, you also get appropriately themed GPU supports in each package, which is specifically color match to the GPUs themselves. A very nice finishing touch with the World of Warcraft logo embedded in the center position. Now, beyond the theme, this is obviously a standard RTX 5070 with the 12 gigabytes of VRAM, so all the same specification as a standard 5070. They are using a new cooler though. This is the MSI Triforcer 4 cooling system. This features a triple Stormforce fan configuration, which are 7-bladed, claw-textured circular arc design fans designed for optimal airflow and minimal noise. Each fans are mounted with a dual set of ball bearings for maximum efficiency and longevity. Like many modern GPUs, if the load and temperature settings are low enough, the fans will actually stop spinning, so you have a completely quiet operation. The heatsink is utilizing a high-low fin design, ensuring high airflow and low turbulence. The fins also feature a V-shaped cutout, ensuring that the airflow pass-through is as efficient as possible. The GPU and memory are also encased in a nickel copper base plate, so we have the best amount of heat dissipation and transfer. The heatsink pipes themselves have a square design in order to maximize surface area and contact points of the GPU and best thermal dissipation possible. Lastly, you have a metal reinforced backplate to also increase heat dissipation and rigidity of the card itself. Based on our experience thus far, the thermal performance is excellent. In firmware, with over an hour of usage, the temps didn't really go above 65 degrees Celsius, and the ambient noise hovered between 55 and 57 decibels with the entire system. We obviously have a number of different fans within this MSI case, but you can certainly make the system a lot more quieter if needed. As far as the GPU performance, obviously it's a 5070, so it's going to perform like any 5070 would. So you get excellent overall Quad HD and even 4K performance with most games set to medium to high details and even ray tracing. On Cyberpunk specifically, we hovered around 130 FPS with DLSS set to balance in the Quad HD resolution with high details. And obviously, if you're playing WoW specifically, this is obviously a very easy game to play on most systems. And obviously the new expansion does have some better assets as far as character and environmental textures go, so you can really utilize the GPU for that. And we hovered easily 200 to 300 FPS within oversampling resolution set to Quad HD or 4K resolution. Now, as far as pricing goes, you're going to pay about a 10 to 15% premium on these WoW Edition cards. I think that's totally worth it given the fit and finish, the quality level of the artwork, and the unique factor that these inherently have within the collector and memorabilia world, especially for collectors that are big into WoW. Now, if you guys are interested in getting one of these specifically, there are some units available on Amazon here in Canada, so we'll have a link in the description down below for that. But I do want to thank MSI for giving us a unique opportunity to test these things out. I'm having a tremendous amount of fun with them, playing WoW, and it's awesome to play this legendary game again with such capable and unique hardware. If you have any specific questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and check out the description for everything we've talked about. Give us a like and thumbs up if you haven't done so already. And if you are interested in the latest generation of PSUs that are powering these graphics cards, check out our dedicated MSI specific PSU video in the description down below. Thank you again so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon in the next one. Take care.